What's all this blue stuff? I don't understand. What? I think something's wrong with my radar. Let me check outside to make sure. No, it is, it's in fact snowing. We're supposed to get maybe 3 inches tonight? Today? Is my lens fogging up? I don't know, I can't tell. Or it's just having issues focusing. Oh. Yeah, we're supposed to get some good old snow. We haven't had any this year yet. It's a little dark down that way. This is my stepson's Jeep. He just got his license. But, yeah. I'd like to go for like a little drive. Let's see. I just took a little drive over here to my local work, and it's quite chilly. This wind coming in with the snow. That's cool. We haven't got a whole bunch of snow in the last couple of years here in Oklahoma, so you gotta enjoy what you can. Hopefully, it'll just be like a little short video. Get some quick picture. And man, it really is. It's a chilly. Really chilly. We're supposed to get about all different weather forecasts, different stuff, but it's probably maybe around 2. They're saying anywhere in between 1 to 3 inches, maybe. So, I guess we'll see. Look at like I said, we don't get very much snow here. At least not lately, so try to enjoy it while it lasts. Maybe if it sticks to the ground in the morning, I'll wake up a little early and go for a little drive in the daylight and see what it's like. So, look at that. Like the whole area, all that snow we're getting. So, I'm gonna stay inside and stay warm. I got me a cup of Joe here, and I'm gonna get windows all set up on this Dell 3650.